Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Windows 11 update KB5078127. Microsoft rollout out of band emergency update to fix the issues that are happening with KB5074109. After you installing the KB5074109, users are facing issues with Outlook and the remote desktop and some display issues also. So to overcome these issues, Microsoft rollout KB5078127. I will show you now how to download and install this update. After installing this KB5074109, Outlook become unresponsive and users are failed to open the PST files that are stored in the cloud actually. So to install this KB5078127, just open settings, tap on Windows Update. And if you see the check for updates, please tap on check for updates. By PC, it is already downloading this one, KB5078127. So after installing this update, so what are the issues the users are facing with the Outlook and remote desktops? Those issues automatically will solve actually. Please download and install this update KB5078127. So after you installing this update, the revision number it will change to 7628. To check the current revision number, please open the run dialog box and type winversion. Tap on OK. The current revision number is 7623. So after you restart the PC, the revision number it will change to 7628. So to overcome the issues with the Outlook and the remote desktop, you need to update this KB5078127. You need to update to KB5078127. And please wait for to download this to download and install. It will take some time actually, nearly 10 to 15. So after installing this update, after installing the update, please restart the system. So to check the previous installed updates, just tap on this update history. The update actually KB5074109. After installing this update, users are getting issues actually. So to check the previous history, tap on update history. You can see the previous installed updates. So to overcome the issues with the KB5074109, please update your Windows as soon as possible to get rid of these issues actually. After installing update, after download and install update, please restart the system also. That's it guys. If you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.